the mission, how to have a beautiful world, how to have a happy world, how to have a safe world. This is the achievement what we have to do for the whole society of our planet Earth. How to do that? At this point of time, I recall a saying of Saint Maharishi Patanjali in Yoga Sutra. When you are inspired by some great purpose, all your thoughts break their bounds. Your mind transcends limitations. Your consciousness expands in every direction, and you find yourself in a new, great and wonderful world. Dormant forces, faculties and talents come alive, and you discover yourself to be a greater person by far than you ever dreamt yourself to be. Friends, how do you create such an enlightened society? The enlightened society has got 3 dimensions. The first dimension, education with value system. The second, religion transforming into spirituality. Can a religion transform into spirituality? Third one, economic development for societal transformation. All the 3. If you want a peaceful world, you can't do one of the thing. You have to combined way. You have to do all the 3 elements, education with value system. For example, you take a child from age 5 to 17, 12 years time, the child in the school. Now we need a mechanism throughout the world, the education with value system. It is possible in the way I see a gathering here with multi-religion, multi-culture, multi-language. I believe a world body can take the leadership and to throughout the world education with value system. And in my childhood days, when I was 10 years old, I used to see my father meet his friends Pakshi Lakshmana Shastrigal, a great Hindu devotee of Rameshwaram Shiva temple with the priesthood, and Reverend Father Bodal, who built Rameshwaram Island's first church. In the childhood, I am indeed blessed to hear the discussion of the great 3. Bhagavad Gita says, see the flower, how generously it distributes perfume and honey. It gives to all, gives freely to all its love. When its work is done, it falls away quietly. Try to be like the flower, unassuming despite all its qualities. What a beautiful message for all generations of this nation on integration of minds and universal mind. In this gathering of nearly 1 million people, if you can have a mind of a scientist and a spiritual force, His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji gives, then we have a beautiful world and happy world and prosperous world. I heard divine hymn in spiritual atmosphere some time back. I am going to recite. May I request you all to join me. Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world.